He dey pay you, gaga.
Father's Day.
Gaga. He dey pay you. He dey pay you. He don't tell. Mommy don't tell you. When we dey kill you, we be one. We be one. One now when we won't kill ourselves. When we dey kill ourselves, don't go. He dey pay you. I met your man. He dey pay you. Eh? Huh? I met your man. He dey pay you. Who? He dey pay you. Welly, yo. Ooh. Now who can say yes, God? You don't rich. You dey pay you. I met your man. They pay you well. Mommy Monica, oh I bear yash for you. Oh my word. I need to register for my mommy. Eh? Boy. They pay you. Why go pay you? Daddy Maga. Daddy Chris. Alright. Why go pay you? You guys are work. Happy weekend. Happy. Did they give award for killing? Not rich. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you guys. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I love you. You guys are wonderful. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I can't thank you guys enough. Una do well. I go yesterday. Good evening. Let me greet everyone first. Thank you. See promotion. You guys are wonderful. I want to I know go cost, and if you like, if you don't like, talk anything. Me, cause lie you. If you know what to do for me, all those one with it. If you know what to do, I will never curse you guys again. No, not too much. No, be my not just too much. I love you guys. I love you. I can't love you guys less. I know if you love me less. Thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. Okay. Yeah, from here I'll be leaving to. I just want to drop it, so I will go to YouTube. We are going to YouTube today. One launch. Yes, now. Some people say they want sick bekus. Okay, let's go there. You want to see? Okay, let's come. We just want to drop little one here so that we'll go nyapoto for there. We'll go do everything. Anyone you won't do. If na so you won't do. Anyone. Just come me. Bah. No worry. Just come. Come. We are there. Mommy want to care too much. Thank you, mommy. So just share the video. Share out. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. You guys are doing well. You are doing well, though. You don't know. You are doing well. Thank you so much for the Last hot one. Hey, they paid. Some people no sleep. Oh. Could you believe some people no sleep? You know now. Ah, yeah, you know. All those. Because what's in that on the here now? Yelala. I was like, yelala for weird. No, we need to quench now. Now this video not to catch fun. Now to enjoy. Now to subobo. So I need to quench. So I beg, if that one know you do you. If you don't see where, you not view where, come YouTube. From here now they go YouTube. We'll be launching it today, and today I will know my real fans. So now you know my real fans today. All my subscribers. Say may God bless you. You guys are doing not too much. I love you all. Thank you for making my fun to be more higher. Okay, yeah, I have some message for you. Be yourself or be yourself. Now me be this. Yes, now me be this. I know I join and I not remove. Now me. Now me. I know if you can't be. I know if you pretend to be you. I know if you can't pretend to be you. You understand? If not be say this now waiting since on Friday, I say Sunday. Now waiting I won't wear like this for you. And if you need this complete, you need to look. They wear complete. You know, sexy, gorgeous. And if you need that, contact me. Yes, now you will get them complete. Look sexy. Imagine say you wear this sexy, you know, for your husband. Just imagine now. Just imagine now. Say you just wear them like this. You go too fine now. Oh my goodness. You go they look you every now and then. You know that kind of thing. You dey feel am. You know that kind of thing. So now, so thank you so much. And if you need it, contact me. Just contact me. Contact me. Let's moku shine. Moku shine. I beg. Okay, moku dey shine. No time more. If you feel say you get time now, you know. This life, you no get duplicates. No duplicate. Enjoy yourself when you are young, so that later you fit tell the story. Yes, now you fit tell the story. Enjoy it now. Now, enjoy it now, so that you can tell the story later, my people. Okay, no come they use, not be the time all these shekels or come they call you, come they follow the dragon. No, I beg, just enjoy it now. Now is better, okay? And I will be leaving some message for some people. Yeah, see, just share the video, share it. And from there, my modelly, Cecily, you know, they will contact me, and my dream be that, and I know. Okay, so just share the video, help me. Yeah, by your sharing, you will get to the destination, and God will bless you. Okay, thank you for all that I've shared. Everybody when you share, I say, may God bless you all. You guys are doing well. I don't know how I want to take you anyway. I don't know. I don't just know how I'll take you. Okay. So I'm gonna go finish for YouTube, for my YouTube. Okay. Come there. Just come. Follow me. Follow me. You gotta follow me. God bless you all. Thank you for the last video. Now that last video, that video break record. It break record. I was like, it must, because I know now. When you will do something, you know why you will do. You'll see the proof of the thing will make you do, and you see, you will be contented. And some people don't sleep. They don't sleep. They call me. You know, they hear my over. Only me that gualona. Ni hear me over. Make they not see sleep. Sarah, no, I don't change mommy. I don't change my YouTube. I don't upgrade them. I don't upgrade them. Pepper them. I need to upgrade them. No. Mommy, may I call her for you so that you'll call her here so that we will go there. Sarah T-Boss. T-Boss. Okay? Sarah T-Boss TV show. Okay, I share it on my wall. I share it on my wall on Facebook. You can click on it. Join us there. Okay? Sarah T-Boss. Sarah T-Boss. Let me make I just who can hear. Oh, Kakabo. Ah, Mommy Monica. You are good, Mommy. I too love you. Ah, you too much. Let me pin it here first. As it dey hot, make it not cold. As it dey hot, so thank you, my people, my wonderful people. I've pinned it there. I've pinned it there. Okay. Oh, more go remove things. And now I have me here. More go remove things. Let's go. It pay you, not let them to pay you. I don't feel live your life during my own. No, now my own I live my life. Me, live your own. No, if except say you know you're day okay with your life. Okay, live your life and leave the rest to go. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to be bothering yourself. Just relax. Let everything they flow. Make it they flow. Why would they kill ourselves? Make love they flow. Make love they flow. So that every dream, everything we want to make it come to pass. If your heart clean, anything you put your hand, you go the enter. And on the 7th is my birthday. On the 7th, hey, if you want to see real pepper, real one, hey, go sir or Saveterio on the 7th for you too, for my birthday. Oh my word. Come now. Oh, Mommy Monica, thank you. That's it. I don't change your Sarah T-Boss TV show. Come there and let's do things. Okay. Love you. And I have some message for some people. Carry the video, just they carry and they share. This is part of my existence. Okay? This is part of my existence. This just it. Okay? I don't want to be you. I don't want to be you. And if you want to be me, you are welcome. Okay? You are welcome. Just that for this my feed, we not many. We not many. You understand? We not many. And based on say, no problem, but just be you. If I pretend to be you, say no to fake life, just be you. If being real, when you call this life, now like this, and oh God, no, on my birthday, I go remove gala, I will remove cellophane for gala. Yes, now, we'll come receive the real pepper. That's operation. So, like, no. If yesterday, if my love, I'm not the best for you. No. I can never. Okay? I know if you verse for you. But not the verse for me because of your sister Monica. If Monica fuck up, we will treat her. Don't wanna know ma. She understand. You don't wanna know ma, okay? Make love lead. I like just if you don't carry make everybody. I like everybody. If I enter YouTube, enter Facebook, everybody they carry my video. I they like them. That's part of the existence. You're not live. You know they live. You just there. Nobody, you know. How people want to see how they want to know. Say I they do modeling. I they model for all these things when I they wear so. How they want to know. And how big contract won't take come. Big one, massive one. And me, no, they say, if you talk yesterday, say, I just they talk, say, because they talk my word. No, me, I'm a person who say, I like to dey give them word to talk. I like to dey give people work. Yes, now just me. If they not, because here I even win, they not get work, so I like to dey give them work. No, what if they won't talk? Nobody even get anything to talk. They not even get anything to talk. You just dey like that. I will give you work, may you talk. Ah, boy, you just dey, you know, even the. I when I run, I'm a winner. So now I need to talk. And so I need to give you. I like to see the spread. It is spread now. You know the spread. So thank you so much. We'll go to the rest. Yes, now. And order your waist training. Pepper. I'll need some pictures. I'll bring for Facebook later. I'll work below. So that mean you know, say you need to nothing, no space, no room for big tummy. No room. Everything to flat. So that if the thing they enter, no gallop. Everywhere go sleep. You go sleep like this when you know. You need to sexy. And you need to look good. And if you want the complete that I'm wearing, contact me. Okay? God bless you and look good. Shop life. Don't be limited with what. Don't be limited with things you see around you. Don't be limited, okay? Just be you and be real. I'm real. I'm real, okay? Thank you. And now just as you see me soon as I'll be, I not remain for house. You understand? So now, thank you. Now we are going to YouTube. I won't see all of you. I won't there here. I won't see you now there. Okay? I want to see you guys there. Let's go there. Love you guys. All of you now, eh? Let's go to YouTube. Let's go and launch it. Mwah. Bye.